Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will cover the further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables, and these variables we have declared by referring the IBM official website. Once the variable declaration is done, now we are good to use the command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Here you will see that we are supposed to pass two parameters. First one is the system value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold the output. Now if you want to know more about this particular field, you can press F1 on this screen, and just after you press the F1 it will take you to this help screen, and here you will find all the information regarding the values that we can retrieve from the RTVSysvil command or system values. Okay, so here you will get to know about all the possible system values and output. So these are the values that we have already covered, so I'm now directly taking you to the latest value that we are going to discuss today, which is QLOCALE. Here it is mentioned local path name. The system value is used to set by local for the system. The local path name must be a path name that specifies a local. A local is a made up of the language, territory, and code set combination used to identify a set of language conventions. The maximum path length allowed for the local path name on the change system value command is 1024. Okay, now we will see what all possible values are there in for this value. First one is star none, means there is no local path name for the q local system value. Second one is star C, means the C local is to be used. Third one is star POSIX, means the POSIX local is to be used. Okay, so this is how we got to know about the local related information. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QLOGOUTPUT. So let's see what it is written here. So here it is mentioned job log output. The system value specify how the job log will be produced when the job completes. This does not affect job logs produced when the message queue is full, and the job message queue full action specify star PRT rep. Okay, let's see what are the possible outcomes. So possible outcome is start job end, means the job log will be produced by the job itself. If the job cannot produce its own job log, the job log will be produced by a job log server. Second one is job log server SVR, means the job log will be produced by the job log server. And the third one is star PND, which means the job log will be produced will not be produced. The job log remains pending until removed. Okay, now the third value we are going to discuss is QMAXACTLVL, which is maximum activity level for the system. The operating system no longer use this system value, so changes made to the system have no effect. So now we are not going to use this value. Okay, so now you got the information about the values. Now you can directly copy it here along with the variable where you want to hold the output, and once this command got executed on line number 16, we will get the output in the QLOCALE variable. Similarly, we are retrieving the other two values, and once we retrieve the values, then we are using sndpgmsg command for printing the output. And here you can see that QLOCALE is already a character type, so I am passing it directly. Similarly, QLOGOUTPUT is also a character type, so we are passing it as it is. But third value is of decimal type, so for that reason we are converting it to character using percentage char built-in function, because sndpgmsg doesn't take the decimal value, so that's why we are converting it to character. Now we can compile this program and see the output. So it is compiled now. Calling, you can see this is the local path, this is the job log server output, and this is 32767. So this is how we can utilize the RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the values from the system. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.